Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the snake game on Java, and this is part 5 for the series. And in the last part we just created an entirely snake, and this snake have no any food to eat, and this snake also cannot be changed in the size. So today in this part I will show you the way for the snake can eat the food, and then uh, can change its size. Okay, and let's move on to the coding. Alright, so in this code here we can see that we use a fixed array with 4 for the length of the body, and now we need to change it. So to make the body be changed in the size, we need to change this data structures of this array. So here we will change it to the list. Alright, and here we will use because the list is just an interface, so we need to use an instance of the list. So in this tutorial I will use array list, and with the integer, and we import it. If you cannot how to import the so you can see what I importing, you can copy this code or write follow on the screen to your IDE. Okay, and for another we'll copy to for faster here. Alright, and for this I will use the set instead 0, and here set 1 4, okay, and here 5. Alright, I will change the code to equal 3, and for the net index 3. Yeah, I think I used a wrong method. Here we need to use the add. Yeah, as is good for the installation. Alright, and here it is same. And for here we will use the set Alright. And here, yes. Alright, we just set for the index I with the value here, and for this one just says 0, and here set 0. Alright, let me see. Yeah, at S. Alright, yeah, body. Yeah, I'm missing a break. Alright, okay. And for the last one in the draw method, here I will get I, and here is also get I. Yeah, yeah, okay. I need to cut this to the integer, and here is also. Alright, so let's run the game. Okay, so we are successful for changing the data structure for this snake. So now the snake can be changed the size. Okay, now we need to make the same that snake can eat the food and change its size. Alright, so now we need to make the food. So it's easy. We will define that the snake, alright, we have here the matrix, and we will put the food on the matrix. The food will get value is 1. Okay, and I will use matrix. I will put with row 11 and the column 11 equal 1 is represent for food that the snake can eat. Alright, and here we will draw the food. Here is the grid, and alright, if the matrix 0, no, row and column equal 1. I will set the color here is blue, and then I will fill a rectangle with this. Okay, and for the others I will just draw the rectangle, and don't forget to change the color, because if you don't change the color, maybe the grid will be the blue. Alright, now we will run. Okay, so we have a food here, but we cannot eat. Alright, so now we need to do something. Yes, so in the move snake here, we will check a little. If the if the matrix 11, sorry, the matrix with the new head S, and alright, I think here is the Y, yeah, and the head S. I need to explain here why I don't use head X here, because we draw the grid here. I use the content. I use the round to represent the the matrix. We have some round like this and some column. The column is the lines that vertical. Okay, the column is vertical and the round is horizontal, and it's also, the round is also Y, and the column is also it represent for the S. Okay, so here you can get somewhere in this code, but I think it's very easy to understand. Okay, so if the matrix head equal 1, the 1 is representing for the the 1 is represented for the foot. So if the head is getting a coordination with the foot here, the condition represent for that. So what we will do, we will increase we will change the length. We will increase 1 unit for the length of the body. So now we use S. We will increase right, here I will use a O tail. S equal the last one of the body. Okay, last one of the body, that is the body S. Get body S size minus 1 unit. Okay, cat to integer. The job here that is get the old position of the tail. Okay, I will explain it to you. So we have the snake body here, and we have some point represent for the body of the snake. Yeah, so every time we move the snake, we just remove the last one, and changes and increase and put the new head here. So every time we eat the food, we will we won't remove this tail. So we just so we need to save. Yes, I need to save the old tail S and the old tail Y for every time we eat the food. Okay, so that is the idea. I think I hope you can understand. If you cannot understand, you can put a comment on the comment, so I can answer for you. Yeah, don't hesitate for that. Okay, and here, right. So here, the body S, we should add the old tail S, and the body Y, we should add the old tail Y. Alright, so let's run it. Okay, I think we have some yeah. You can see in the pen here, we draw with the fixing with the fixed lane. So now we need to change this. We change the body as size. Alright, let's run it again. Alright. Oh. Yeah. In the update, we have here. Yeah. Body as size minus 1 unit. Alright, so now I finished work. Okay, so now you can see the snake size it changes. And okay, I will put more the food, maybe in the okay, and every time we eat the food, we will remove that that food by assign a value 0 to it. Alright, it, and here it, yeah. So we have many parts to fit and many things to do in the net part. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.